Hello everyone, welcome back to this series. In this series, let's discuss about asynchronous synchronous function. Let's take a moment to dive a little deeper into our little Deno application and see what Deno does for us. Remember these two really useful functions that we saw earlier, read text file and read text file sync. Deno provides the asynchronous version of the function, which you see it returns promise, and the synchronous version of this function which has no need for a promise. The main difference being that with the synchronous function the program wait until the file has been read and all the data is available to us before continuing. Whereas with the asynchronous function, Deno can actually switch contexts and run some other code. If there is a simple available while, it waits for the file to be opened and read and processed and all that. Is it? The main thing to note here is that Deno provides a modern TypeScript API that leverages all of the modern JavaScript and TypeScript features that we want to use today. A lot has changed made for JavaScript over the past 10 years, and we really want to make use of all of the improvements and enhancements that we have made. Okay, in this course we are using VS Code and the VS Code Deno extension. Okay, when you hover that, you will get all the documentations that we saw. When you click on this and then you check, we will get to see all the APIs and the functions over there. Another cool feature of the TypeScript that we can use is the top level asynchronous await. Remember that area we saw, notice that normally we would need to use this await function feature inside of an async function. Right? This await function should be used inside of an async function because it's such a common use case to await something at the top level of a file that TypeScript provides functionality for us to do that. We don't have to wrap this call inside of a function or inside of a promise to compare with Node. Top level await was only introduced in Node in version 14. And even then, only certain conditions with Deno and TypeScript we get this behavior out of the box. We do not need to worry about it when writing our little application for now. Okay, let's discuss a little more in the next video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.